Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Light blue color, yellow color, black color, pink color, orange color, dark blue color, brown color, red color. Let's start. Blue color, blue color. 1. Number 1. 2. Number 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. Light green color. 6. Number 6. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 10. Number 10. So kids, what we learned today? We learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blue color, green color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye.